Welcome back guys to this video. In this video we are going to learn how to design 3D UI effects. With the help of icons, we are going to learn how to create icons and can give a 3D look to it. Right? Okay, so first what we gonna use is our rectangle shape. So press R, give it a rectangle. It should be a square actually, not a rectangle. So I'm giving a width to 120 pixel by 120 pixel height. Okay, zoom in, please zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Then we need another rectangle. Then I can duplicate this one 2 times. The one, two. Okay, then give the second one with 88. Then give the third one 80 pixel. Okay, for now I'm just changing the fill a little bit, changing so we can differentiate each of them. Select them all, make a center of them, get it in center. Then we need a circle, 2 circles. Press O, circle, make this with 68 pixel like. Okay, good. Duplicate this one more time. Give this circle a width and height of 56. Bring to front, change the fill to white. Okay, good. Select them, center it. Perfect. Then a line in between of this. Then again, select them all, place them in center. Okay, good. Perfect. So icon structure is ready, right? Now it's time to add an icon here first. So for icon, I'm just using a plugin called Iconify. We will be using a good icon. Okay, let's take. All right. What we're gonna use is, okay, we can use this. What else we can use? We can use this icon as well. We can use this as well. Okay, for now we can okay, let it be this now. Okay. For now, just raise icons, remove from the frame, get the frame. Okay. Good. Okay. So it will not move now. Did as well. Did this frame. Okay. So we have here 3 icons. We can use one of them for now. So say let's say which can we can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. We will use this camera. Again, make this as a center. Good. Good enough. Now it's time to bring some look here. Now the first big circle, big square, I'm giving a border radius of 20 pixels. Then the middle circle square will be 16 pixels. The inner square will be of 12 pixels. Good, fine enough. Then the other next step is to give a stroke to it. Okay, so we need a stroke for two things here. The last circle, the innermost circle, I'm giving a stroke of black 1 pixel now. Then the outermost middle square and stroke of 1 pixel now. Okay. To differentiate it from the other. And the other step is to apply a gradient to the largest circle and the largest square. Okay, so this is our largest one, the first one. So we are giving a failure or gradient failure will be the first, giving it of 3A and 118. Okay, 100%. In the center vertically. Okay, then we are going to give a reverse gradient to the smallest circle and the smallest square. Okay, so the smallest square is this one. But it's before going further, we are going to give the same exact gradient field to the larger circle, 3A and 18. Okay, then again, the smallest square. Wait a second, wait a second, wait a second. Yes, this is the one. So field is the gradient, right? We are going to give first 18 here, reverse, and 3A here. Okay. Then we are going to give a stroke to the middle square. This is the middle square, but it's time for the stroke. Okay, I'm using this as a center here, giving the stroke to a linear gradient. I'm using 18 and 3A for this. Okay, so now we can see here, like while zooming in, we have metallic stroke failure. It will make a sense, a deep sense here. Then it's time to give a fill to the middle square, a fill of the black. Okay, and we are going to give this a stroke to this one, the gradient, of 3A and 18. Okay. Then we can use fill to this. We can use a color that be neonic. Okay, this one. Then we can use another one here. Okay, this one. Okay, good. Good enough. Same for the inner one. I'm going to copy this and use for this inner circle here. Paste it here, the same effect, and choose this one. Take this, bring this one, copy, press this, give it this second one. Good. Okay, we are here ready for this icon. Okay. Then we are going to apply an inside green fill to this circle. Thin fill. A and 17. Okay, so 17 here. Sorry, 18 and 3A. Then we need to give a drop shadow to the icon. Okay, we're going to give an effect here, drop shadow, 0 from X, but from 13 from the Y axis. Row should be 18. We can keep here 14. Spread should be 0, color should be 0, and opacity should be 100. Okay, the next step for this, we are going to use Kena spec to the top shadow for the smaller circle here. Same 0, 14, 18, and 100. Okay, you can see here. And the last one, we are going to give an effect here of layer blur of 12. No, it's not happening here. Control Z. Actually, we want a background blur here of 12, of 20. Good enough. So icon background is ready here. Now we can duplicate this and arrange the other icon here. Okay. Now we can duplicate this. We can make a frame here first. Select them all. Frame selection. We have a frame 1. Okay, good. Then we can duplicate this and change the rest of the icons. Can use this one. And now remove this. We can realign. Select them all. Good. So change the fill. See what I can do here. Copy all and give this fill. Duplicate the system one. Bring this icon here. Remove this icon. Center this icon. Give this fill. Okay. So we have here this. It is. So we have finished already made these icons really icons here. Just so me just 1 more minute. So just let me present. We can present this in a frame, right? We can give a width of 400 and the height to 120, 120, 140. We can give this height here. We can keep what radius we can give 22, and we can give this frame a very dark one here. And we can place these frames inside, tidy up. We can just tidy up here. We can keep 10. Okay, good. Or else we can keep 5. Good enough. So, okay, give them, getting the frame, present it here, center. Perfect. So I hope you guys like this video and learn how we can create these 3D looking icons buttons very easily. Okay, so if you got caught something new or learn something new and it can impact your learning skills, right? So please do subscribe me, hit the icon bell, here, right? And please like and comment, keep a comment. Please do keep a comment to me, right? Thank you, thank you, thank you.